Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. Let's try this again. We had a lot of stopping and starting. That's what the error message was. I've been known to stop and start a few times. Drop step at 2. Anyway, our weekly edition, Blockchain Vitals. We need to talk about the weekly fractal. Good morning in Asia, as it's already rolled to the morning in Asia. Please follow us at EndoTech_IO and at HFR from the floor. And last couple of days in April, we'll be rolling into May midweek. So we're going to have that monthly fractal to talk about, but this is the weekly. But first, let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about something that I'm seeing in the headlines. And this one, for me, just continues to evolve the story. How about it? IOTA Inc.'s game-changing crypto-powered deal with Jaguar Land Rover. Elon Musk paying particular attention to this, obviously, as he is a big proponent of crypto. Jaguar will be launching an electric vehicle soon, and they will be using IOTA to integrate with drivers to relay information about traffic, potholes, a whole host of things that they hope to then be able to use to route people on better routes with actual live data on traffic. Of course, you'll be able to track the movement of the car. How fast are these people going? It just shows me one more time how the technology is not going away. And some really intelligent people are figuring out ways to incorporate it, and it just keeps developing more and more every day. Anyway, IOTA for sure got a bump on this news. It has been rocketing a bit here. For me, though, a couple very important levels that they went and checked out on that weekly. And we're going to talk about that in the vitals. You know what? Let's take the vitals and let's talk price discovery. Taking the vitals, my chance to talk actual price discovery, pricing information. I'm a firm believer that price has all the actionable information involved right there in it. And right now, Bitcoin trading 5507. And I got to tell you, when I look at the top 12 here that we cover on our sheet, really only 2 coins with explosive expanding potentiality on the weekly. Now, that can change, obviously. And if Bitcoin explodes, I think it pulls some of the rest along with it. But for me, Bitcoin is one of them. The other one I will talk about in the second part of this segment after I say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. But for you YouTube people, right now, Bitcoin looking strong. 5507 last. Up more on the weekly, 5100. 5100. So any pullback to that area is a great buy zone. And room now this week up to 6442. And I cannot wait to talk about the monthly on Wednesday as we roll for May, and what a difference that chart might look like if we can close the month out strong here. So now through Wednesday or into Wednesday, I would love to see us continue to power here. And if we could close the month, with a strong move into the mid 6,500 area, it's going to make that monthly chart all the more intriguing for certain. Anyway, Bitcoin looking strong, right? 5507, back in upmo on the daily, room to 5674 on that daily collar, and then more room on that pivot model, 5770 available, that third target, great profit-taking areas, all right? I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd and continue with the segment. Thank you so much for watching on YouTube. If you want the full actionable content of EndoTech.io, you need to subscribe, and then you can watch this whole segment at EndoTech.io and not get cut off. I won't have to say goodbye to you till after we talk about the rest. Anyway, see you later, YouTube, and let's continue with the segment.